Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below and let's get started. You guys notice something different? I cut my hair. I know. I cut my hair about like 3 inches because it was super dead, and now it just feels healthier. This is like the shortest I've had it in so long. I haven't done a DIY in a really long time and I was missing it. I wanted to do, call it like a stitch yarn puff pillow, floor pillow. I'm gonna put the photo on the screen right now. That's what I want to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So you guys remember my chunky blanket tutorial or DIY, but we worked with these yarns. Go check it out because it's freaking awesome. Anyways, I don't have really clear instructions on how to use these yarns to make the puff pillows because they didn't have it online. So hopefully my video will be the first video using these. Yeah, let me find the end. Oh my gosh. Missed DIY, but nothing has changed. I still have issues. Oh my gosh, where's the end? Okay, we found the ends, guys. We found it. So we're gonna start off by leaving 14 inches more. I don't know, you're gonna leave a long tail, okay? Struggles, guys. I'm not like other YouTube DIYs where they like try to make the project first. I tried it and I still didn't get it down, so this in like so, pulling it, trying to keep it the same throughout all of them. Does that make sense? I hope so. I want a big poof, so I want to make it about 35 loops. Is that too much? I think 35 would be good. 30. Do 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, guys, I still knew how to count. I go loop to loop to loop. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. So it looks super long, but we're gonna make it into a circle. A poof is pretty big though. What do you guys think, huh? Let's do 34. Let's make it an even number. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, we're gonna turn it over. And then we're gonna try to connect the circle, okay? Whatever the top loop is, you're gonna put the chain around it, like so. Kind of want the loop to be pretty small, well, depending on you. If you want to see more of the inside once it gets stretched out, then make it a bigger one. Or like you don't want to see the inside too much, then I would suggest to make the holes smaller. I think I'm doing it right, guys. I kind of looked at a tutorial that was similar to this. They didn't have something online that used the same exact yarn that I'm using. I just bought the wrong yarn. Well, not really. I was gonna make a blanket for Jimmy, but I was just like, why when I can do another DIY, you know? I wanted to make this poof. People use wool, like the wool yarn, and that was expensive. Michael's, they were selling these rolls, like 2 of them, for $9.99. Usually they're like $10 per yarn, so it's like kind of like buy one get one free. Other yarn, the wool, was like $29.99 for 1 roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You don't want to miss, because I could just imagine how much of a struggle that's gonna be. I already messed up like doing that on my blankets, and I'm not trying to do that again. Let's keep moving. The loops. It's for me. It's getting serious. Let me sit up. And know, man. I don't know, guys. Michael's said that there's like a tutorial. It's not really a tutorial because it's like instructions. Sense to me because it's like CH stands for chain, or and it. Yeah, if someone can do a video for me so I can redo this, that would be great. Your girl is lost. I'm getting a little bit confused. I can kind of see it coming along, but I don't know. So this is what we got so far. It's a circle. It's a circle. But I think I did it inside out because, like, if you guys looked at the inside, it's so much nicer than it does on the outside. And you see how, like, things are curved out and not in. So yeah, at the end of it, I'm just gonna flip it inside out. But we ran out, so thankfully we got more. Just gonna tie it together. Yep, I'm tying these two together. And they get lost into the whole thing, so don't worry. Don't you guys worry. And then we'll have like the white. Like, you guys could do it the same color, you know, all around, but I just like to mix it up sometimes, you know? So pretty. This is taking forever. I feel like this is like as much as the blanket. Maybe the blanket's gonna take longer because the blanket was huge, but this puff floor pillow thing, whatever it's called, it's pretty big too. So I think this would be great gifts for, you know, the holidays. You can make mini ones maybe, and then save like the big ones for yourself. Yeah, it'll look really cute. I'm pretty sure they'll appreciate it. I think I'm gonna make the girls like small mini ones because we're having like a girls Christmas thing before Christmas starts. So I think I want to make them little mini ones. If you guys are watching, hey, get off. Hey, if you girls are watching it right now, click off and then come back to it after our Christmas celebration. Or if I didn't make it for you, sorry. I make like DIY stuff for the girls for like their Christmas presents, but this year I just didn't have the time. I think the first year that we had something, I made them like marshmallow little stuffies. They were super cute. So if I have a photo, I'll insert it. But yeah, they were really cute. Like, I made those, I bought the materials and I sewed it together and I stuffed it in their huge marshmallows. I have a thing for like big stuff. It's shaping itself. Like, if you can see this, like, look at this. We're doing it. We're doing it. For the stuffing, for the pillow, I actually bought 2 pillows to replace my old pillows, my sleepy pillow. Use the old ones to stuff this. Whenever I try my DIYs, they turn out to be pretty okay, right? I haven't really done a okay, hold on, let's think about it. I really like DIYs, so I really hope I didn't mess up. That would be really bad. How is this like a DIY channel if you can't even DIY, Jenny? Like, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue and we'll be back. Guys, it's 2:10 in the morning and I'm still not done. I don't think this is big enough. Like, this is my POUF. So this is all the cotton that I want to put in this. But look at this, it's hella big. I'm stressed. I don't know how much more I'm gonna need because, like, if I try to put it in here, then all the yarn will come off and look, for the third one. This is what I get for procrastinating. Just came home from work and it's been a long week, guys. You need some time to just chillax. We'll push through it. We'll get this done. Maybe I can stop after this yarn. It should be big enough. Should be big enough. Hey guys, so I think that we're finally at the end. Pretty big now. Look at this craziness. Look at it. Try to figure this out. So I want, okay, let's see. Oh my god. Just trying to tuck it in right now. Okay, let's turn this over. The tail, and we're gonna weave it around. Oh my god, it's so big. You can't see it. No! Oh no. I broke it. I broke the knot. I think I pulled too hard. I cheated and I grabbed some more from a different yarn roll. Okay, I'm figuring that out in a bit. Let's turn. There's some mishaps, but guys, I think we did it. Like, we did that. Look at this! Oh my god. That's amazing. I'm in love with it. I thought I was gonna have a lot of issues. Trust me, there was times that I'm just like, girl, I don't know if it's gonna work out, but look at this. Oh my god. It's amazing. You know, there's some areas that could have used a little bit more help, but for the most part, it's amazing. Like, you can sit on this and it's, I used 3 colors and each roll was $5, so that's $15 for just the outside. 3 pillows for the inside, so I used 1 big king pillow and then like 2 small ones, like normal regular size pillows, and it's my old pillows that just needed to be changed out. It's so pretty. It's 3:10 in the morning and it took me about 2 hours to make this. Yeah, I mean, it beats making the blanket for 5 hours. I really hope that you guys like this video. If you guys do, please thumbs up the video, make sure you subscribe, and leave me a comment. Yeah, if you guys like it or not, because I'm so excited to have this. But yeah, guys, happy holidays to everyone. Going to try to have a video out on Christmas Day or like live stream or something. So I hope to see you guys there, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.